Happy Thanksgiving. We got the Tesla packed and we're headed on a road trip. I can't believe how good this 2013 Tesla Model S is running. 191,000 miles. We're doing a 550 mile trip for Thanksgiving. A few months ago, we did a 2,100 mile road trip across 4 states. And this car just keeps going. Free supercharging for life, which is amazing. And I have solar panels, so it's free to drive during my 120 mile daily commute to work. The way things are going with the tax credits expiring, I get a lot of calls now, people asking me how to buy a used EV or a new EV, because you get $7,500 on a new EV or $4,000 off on a used EV. So everybody wants to grab those credits before they disappear. I just helped a friend of mine get into a 2022 Model 3 for $21,000 after the credit. Then I just had another friend of mine get into an F-150 Flash, which is their electric pickup truck, and he got the full $7,500 tax credit off that. So if you guys want an EV, you can get some really cool deals out there. Who knows what's going to happen when all these tax credits expire. Maybe the manufacturers will just drop the prices so you won't have to fiddle around with all these tax credits. Hopefully it will make buying an EV easier. That would be really nice. Sound off in the comments below and tell me what kind of EV you guys are interested in, or what you're shopping for, or what your next vehicle is going to be. I'm still tossed up between the X and the Y, still can't decide, but let me know your thoughts. Thanks a lot.
Welcome to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.